Excellency, sir, I'm Isaac Wambok, Principal, Baringo Technical
Innovation Hub, which is called iHub in short.
Parents, ladies and gentlemen,
Of the Rift Valley Technical Training Institute.
Chancellor of Moi University, in charge of academics.
Shortly we will be assessing the unhealthy competition between TVET institutions and universities so that we can find a balance between what training is done by TVETs and what training is done by universities and what training is done by other institutions, so that there is no confusion, there is clarity, and there is synergy in the training of our human resource. And everybody and every sector can then be equipped with the necessary infrastructure to provide quality training in those sectors, rather than everybody becoming a jack of all trades and a master of nothing. You will never go wrong by investing your resources in technical training. In any case, today, as a nation, we are earning more foreign currency from the export of our brain power than we do from all the commodities that we export.